We see the trends in the world, and we certainly see that there are waves of new technologies that are coming towards us in the telecom world. And they are called 5G, they are called Internet of Things, automated car, smart building, whatever. We see that coming globally, and we see the possible disconnect between preparing the basement, that is the physical layer of the network, to support these new technologies that are coming in any way, that are not totally defined yet, and that will evolve with time in any case. And that's a global concern that we see for all our customers. And we thought it would be great to organize a discussion on this, an open discussion on this topic with our customers here in North America, because this country is at the forefront of the developments of new technologies.
5G means a lot of different things to different people, and it depends who you ask.
In the next 3 years, I have to build as much capacity as all of my generational forefathers have built into this network to this date.
To now every traffic signal, every jet engine, your refrigerator, your air conditioning units, your thermostats are all going to be and are already being connected up to the network. That's IoT. They're going to be intelligent, and they all have to communicate that information back somewhere, and almost always it's through the wireless network. And the wireless network is very little wireless and a whole lot of wire, and that wire has to be glass.
In order to provide 1 gigabit services in 1 square mile, you need 8 miles of fiber.
Protecting this infrastructure is key.
So I think it's very interesting that we have folks from across the country's perspectives. So I think it's a very good microcosm of all the issues that everybody has, and it lets people see the perspective that others have of this 5G deployment. So everybody's sharing different experiences. What lessons can we learn from each other to kind of accelerate our growth both in the urban and rural environments?
The NEXST Forum is just such a phenomenal opportunity to be aligned with people who are working on these challenges every day. I think the only way that we're going to accelerate this process is to collaborate with each other and know that it's not just theory, but it's practice.
It's a real treat to be here with an international group and be able to look at things not just domestically, but from a global platform, and be able to get the take on what do regulations look like for each one of us, how does the interoperability, what about the service providers and their vision. And so it's exciting to see the progression and see how it's all going to turn out and meet some of the real movers and shakers within the 5G.
A successful deployment of 5G will include partnerships. It will include all of us working together.
The story is just starting.